I would actually let it sink like 15 seconds. That's very good. That's very good. So even though you wait 5 or 10 seconds, it won't go further down than maybe 30 centimeters or something like that. So. Yeah.
How deep is it out there?
2 to 4 meters. Yeah, definitely.
How about this?
I think we should move over. That's why I'm waiting for you with the stick, so you can always give it to me. And just make sure you have, because it's very slippery now. So make sure you really go easy. Yeah. I'll hold the stick for you. That way. Yeah. Just make sure I don't hit anything in your backpack. Count to 20. Start with 3 minutes. You should always point your rod tip towards where you have the line. Yeah. Because if you have a fish on, you only need to lift your rod and they will hook. But if you have it to the side, the tree trap can actually spit out the fly again. So you have to keep sure you have a straight line to it and no really bend on it. So even lower the rod even more. So yeah, keep the rod tip down even more. All the way there you should have it. Yeah, but with fly fishing you want as short line contact as possible, because when it takes the fly, it turns, and you will just need to lift the rod. But if you keep it to the side, the trout can do so much with the fly without you even noticing it. There are even some guys that put the rod tip into the water. And you can actually cast over to the other cliff there. do a wildcard thing, you can put on the silver fly I got. Because it will really shine up in the water here, and also it would sink, and when you retrieve, if there's fish around, they can't miss it. And it looks like a little pig.
Sounds like a...
Yeah. So I'll just pick out one, and there are fish around, but they are not prepared to rise for anything. Sometimes you have to provoke them a little bit, actually.
Actually, this is a good tip because I wouldn't have noticed, but I have a much better feeling in
Yeah.
flying. Something here?
No, but further down.
Okay.
The same type of cliff.
Okay.
I actually caught one of the biggest ones. Oh, really? Be very careful now. Yeah. It's easier to get it out. Here come some waves now. But throw it in along the edge here.
Okay.
Into the...
Like this.
Yeah. See? Congratulations. Just take it, just stand still there, just stand still. Make sure you got line control before you...
Feels a little bit better.
Yeah. Yeah, let it go if it wants to. Yeah, we'll just have to see what it is. I can see on your rod tip that it's at least 40 or something.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Even bigger actually.
Yeah. Nice.
Well, you found the fly of the day. The man with the golden fly. I actually think you should call your friend over here. Ask him to come here. Yeah, keep weave. Yeah. Yeah. You can take in some more line. Take in some more line. The rod tip should go down. Even more, even more. There. Yeah, that's a good shiny one. It's gonna jump. Put some pressure on it. Don't walk out. Put some. That's a big one. That's a good one. Take it easy now. Take it easy. Ah, that's a good one. Take your time. Keep it. Yeah. A little action, as you can see. Good action. Keep the rod up so it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Force it. Yep. Yeah. One-way road for it.
Yeah.
Not too much. It's actually good quality on it.
Yeah.
Really nice. Come over here! Come here! Yep.
More.
Yep, there it is. Ah, that's a good one. Just let it lay there a little bit. Yeah, just to show you. That's a good one.
It's very healthy. It's healthy.
Yeah, it's a good one. Now you can unhook it.
Yeah.
Keep it in the water and I'll take a photo with my mobile phone. Yeah. Now you have a difficulty. I'll keep filming and you can re-put it in.
Yeah. I will take a picture.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture with me?
Yeah.
With my phone?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, like this.
I think that's one of the better ones you actually caught.
Yeah.
Tilt it a bit more towards me.
Towards you?
Yeah. Tilt it back and forth like this and I'll tell you. Tilt a little more. To turn yourself away a bit.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it. Then a close up. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Very slow back.
Yeah. You better help it out a bit more.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Yes!
Yes!
Perfect.
That's how a happy angler looks.
Yeah.
And you can SMS to Knut so they know we got fish and we don't want to leave.
Yeah. I didn't measure it.
The man with the golden fly.
I would say it's like 50, 60. Very healthy.
And we found the fly of the day.
I have one salmon fly.